In front of me is Honor 200 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again, tap on Privacy and access Permission Manager. Following that, tap on one of your device's features to manage it. Tap on one of your apps and click on the best option for you, or select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!